today's video. In this video, we are going to be learning how to sort out issues relating to MetaTrader 5. So today, I was trying to log into my MetaTrader 5. I discovered that it wasn't loading. I tried to enter my brokers and none was coming up. In fact, generally, it wasn't working. So in this video, I'll be showing you what to do if you have a similar problem. So I'll be giving you 4 things that you can try. All right, so let's assume this is your MetaTrader 5 and you're trying to load your broker, or it's not working like my own. Mine, nothing was showing, but everything wasn't working. So the first option that you have is for you to go to your setting. So you go over to your phone setting, go and look for your phone setting. Okay, so that's the first thing you have to do. So this is my setting. Once you click on it, you're going to look for application management. You're going to look for your application management. So this is my application management, your app management. You click on it. Once you're clicked on it, you come here to app list. Click on it as well. Your apps will load. So here you can type MetaTrader 5. So Meta, this is it here. Okay, so I'll click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to bring up these options here. You select storage and cache. Okay, so you select storage and cache. Once you click on it, you're going to see this option down here. You're going to see these options here. So what you have to do is to click on this clear cache files. So you're going to clear your cache files. That's the first option that you have. Now if you did this and it did not work as well, which I believe it's going to work, another option you have is to download what is called VPN, or if you already have it in your phone, you can try using VPN. There are so many free VPN around, but for me, I currently use Windscribe. So Windscribe is free as well, but if you have others, this is it. Okay, so if you have others as well, you can use any one that you have. Now after, if you use VPN and it didn't work as well, which I believe is a must, VPN has to work. So after clearing your storage and you tried using VPN and it did not work, another option you have is to collect MetaTrader 5 from someone who is currently using their own. So you can delete your own, or you can uninstall your own. So once you hold it there, you're going to see this uninstall. So you click on it and uninstall it, then collect from someone who has been using their own to trade. That's another option that you have. Now if you don't want to collect from someone, another fourth option that you can try is to make sure your network is very good. So if you are using 4G network, you can try switching it to 3G. If it's 3G, you can try switching it to 4G. Currently my network is in 4G, so you can put it in 3G if it was in 4G before, but if yours was in 4G, you put it in if yours was in 3G, you can put it in 4G, and with that, I can assure you that there's no way one of these options is not going to work. So do try it and let me know in the comment section. And if you have any other problem, you can as well drop them in the comment section. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and as well drop your like, drop your comment. So subscribing will help you in case when we make new videos, so that you can be able to follow. Bye, and I wish you success in your trading journey.